full of light. Every nation brings a dream, united as one team. The crowd is singing loud and strong, inviting all along. The journey starts beneath the sky, with hopes that fly high. The moment has arrived, the dream is alive.
From every corner of the earth, we celebrate our worth. Different cultures side by side, standing here with pride. The music echoes through the air, a feeling all can share. The rhythm joins us hand in hand, across every land. Together we belong, inside one song.
The whistle blows, the game begins. Everyone wants to win. The players run with endless fire, taking dreams higher. Every pass and every move, something left to prove. The atmosphere begins to rise, hope shines in our eyes. The world becomes one heart from the very start.
All in one we stand today,
Together all the way,
every voice becomes a sound.
as joy spreads around, the spirit moves
From sea to sea,
a symbol of unity. No matter where we come from now, football shows us how
to build a better way every day. The flags are waving in the breeze, crossing mountains and seas. The supporters sing with pride, their teams by their side. The energy fills every place, connecting the human race. The dream belongs to everyone, under the same sun. The future shines ahead,
where legends are made.
hear the call, give your all, side by side,
With the whole world as our guide,
all in one,
one dream, one soul.
all in one, all in one,
Together we are whole.
all in one,
Raise your voice tonight,
all in one,
shining in the light.
all in one,
Feel the world unite.
all in one,
Everything feels right.
all in one,
Forever we'll belong.
all in one.
Inside one song. The striker waits beside the goal, focused on the roll. The crowd can feel the tension grow, waiting for the show. The ball arrives with perfect pace. The player wins the race. One powerful shot finds the net, a moment unforgettable. The stadium starts to shake for the goal they made.
The celebration fills the air, excitement everywhere. The players dance beneath the lights, enjoying the night. The supporters wave their flags without looking back. The joy continues all around.
Inside the sound, the memory will remain beyond the game.
Every challenge, every test pushes us to our best. The journey is not always easy, but dreams help us believe. The road may sometimes seem long, yet we carry on. The future waits for those who dare and those who care.
The dream is still alive, helping hope survive. The music grows, the crowd responds, creating stronger bonds. Every voice becomes a wave, strong and brave. The atmosphere begins to shake with every move they make. The world is dancing to the beat. In every street, the spirit keeps us near, year after year. All in one we lift our hands, across all lands. The game is more than goals and fame. It's what makes us the same. The friendships made along the way will never fade away. The memories stay in our hearts, even when we part. The dream continues on, long after dawn.
The second half begins to rise, determination in our eyes. Every player gives their best, standing with the rest. The pressure grows with every play. Nobody looks away, the crowd remains loud and proud. Standing above the crowd,
The energy remains flowing through our veins. The stars are shining overhead, lighting the road ahead. The future calls us one by one, under the same sun. The game inspires young and old, with stories to be told. Every child can see a dream and join the team. The world opens wide with hope We sing tonight. We sing tonight.